Hi friends, welcome to Light Up channel. Today let's know about the glass. We know glass is a transparent material. Glass is made up of three main components, namely the silica, which constitutes 75% of it, soda ash and calcium. You know, silica is nothing but the sand. When this silica, calcium, and soda ash are heated at a higher temperature of more than 1000 degrees Celsius, they melt, and this molten state they are made to condense and results in formation of solid glass. This glass then converted into required shapes and size. Friends, glass is also formed by natural process like lightning and from volcanoes. How from lightning? We know that lightning is the high power electric current. When this strikes the rock or sand particles, it fuses them and converts them into glass stones. Volcano. From the volcano, the high temperature existing in it converts the sand and the rocks into a glass stone named as the obsidian stone. During 3rd BC, Indians started to use the glass article. Even before that, during 3000 BC, people of Israel, Egypt, and Mesopotamia started using the glass, and they were the leading manufacturer of glass. During 17th century in Rome, people started the art of glass blowing. Glass blowing is nothing but making glass articles by blowing a glass pipe with a high temperature flame. This we can see in the exhibitions today. Presently in India, New Delhi has in it many of the glass industries. Firozabad in Uttar Pradesh leads as the glass manufacturer for the past 200 years. In our kitchen, we can see all the containers were made of plastic, but before 30 to 40 years, we can remember that all the containers were made of ceramic or glass because of their property that they never change the quality of the food product stored in them. Today, we know that plastic destroys the nutritional value of the food stored in them, but even we continue using them. This is because of the fragile nature of the glass, and we need to be very careful while handling the glass articles. But friends, we can still try to use glass and ceramic to store the food to maintain a good health and a happy life. Plastic and glass both are also recyclable, but while recycling, plastic emits harmful gases which causes air pollution, but glass doesn't. During decomposition, glass takes nearly 10 lakh years to decompose, but it will never spoil the quality of the soil. Plastic will destroy the fertility of the soil. So, friends, let's join hands to replace plastic with glass and ceramics again. There's an interesting fact, friend. We can see the medicines are stored in brown colored glass bottles. It's said that these brown colored glass bottles prevent the harmful UV rays from entering into the food products. Friends, the cracks that are formed when a glass breaks travel at a speed of 3 km per hour. It's amazing that people even calculate the speed of the cracks. Let's know about Portland vase, friends. It's one of the valuable glass vase that is preserved in the British Museum, which is said to be found in Rome. There is an story about Glass King. Yeah, the king is called as Glass King because of his hallucination. That's Francis King Charles VI. He is also called as the Mad King as he hallucinated that he is made up of glass, and to protect his glass body he covered his body with clothings inserted with iron rods. Now about the world's largest glass museum, Corning Glass Museum, which has in it nearly 45,000 precious artistic glass articles. It's located in New York. I might have shared some facts about glass. Avoid plastic by replacing it with glass. Meet you in another video, friends. Bye.